Y equals sine theta minus pi over 6. So this time, because it's minus, I know this is going to the right, and it's pi over 6. So that is the phase shift, is right pi over 6. Key points are always, at this point anyways, pi over 2 apart. This is where we now need to find the common denominator between pi over 6 and pi over 2, which 6 and 2, the common denominator is 6. So that's my scale for the x-axis. So it's every 6 squares is pi. So I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, pi. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 pi. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 pi, etc., etc. To the left, it's negative, but same pattern. All right, I'm just going to mark now the phase shift onto the graph, and then I'll mark the amplitude above and below the x-axis. So key points, which are pi over 2 apart, means 3 pi over 6 is pi over 2. So it's every 3 squares is a key point. Pi over 6 to the right is pretty easy. I just go 1 squared to the right is pi over 6 to the right. Amplitude, I haven't marked my y-axis yet, but I'm just going to say 1 is 3 squares. So 1 above, 1 below, 3 squares up, 3 squares down. Now I just need to remember my sine pattern. Sine starts in the middle, and it goes middle, high, middle, low, middle, high, middle, low, and it's every 3 squares. So it's middle, 1, 2, 3 high, 1, 2, 3 middle, 1, 2, 3 low, etc., etc. And lastly, just connect the line, try to make it nice and round, and we're done.